What is the best way to maintain my car's battery? Proper maintenance of your car's battery is essential to ensure its longevity and reliable performance. Here are some tips to help you maintain your car's battery. Regular inspection. Regularly inspect the battery for any signs of corrosion, damage, or loose connections. Check for any cracks or leaks in the battery casing. Keep it clean. Clean the battery terminals and connections regularly to prevent the buildup of corrosion. You can use a mixture of baking soda and water to clean the terminals, followed by a rinse with plain water. Tighten connections. Ensure that the battery cables are securely tightened to the battery terminals. Loose connections can cause poor electrical conductivity and lead to starting issues. Check electrolyte levels if applicable. If you have a conventional lead-acid battery with removable caps, check the electrolyte levels regularly. Add distilled water as needed to keep the plates submerged. Avoid deep discharging. Avoid draining your battery to a very low charge level. Frequent deep discharging can shorten the battery's lifespan. Keep it charged. If your car is not driven regularly, use a battery maintainer or trickle charger to keep the battery charged. A fully charged battery is less prone to sulfation and damage. Turn off electrical accessories. When the engine is off, avoid leaving electrical accessories, such as lights, radio, or air conditioning, running for extended periods, as it can drain the battery. Protect from extreme temperatures. Extreme heat and cold can affect a battery's performance. If possible, park your car in a garage during hot summers or use a battery insulation kit during cold winters. Replace old batteries. Car batteries have a limited lifespan, typically around 3 to 5 years. If your battery is nearing the end of its life or showing signs of weakness, consider replacing it proactively to avoid unexpected breakdowns. Check charging system. Periodically have your car's charging system, including the alternator, checked by a professional mechanic. A faulty charging system can lead to battery undercharging or overcharging, affecting its performance and lifespan. Maintain proper fluid levels. If you have a maintenance-free battery, you won't be able to check the electrolyte levels. But you can ensure that the battery is kept securely in place and that it is not exposed to excessive vibrations. By following these tips, you can extend the life of your car's battery and reduce the risk of battery-related issues while driving. Remember to prioritize safety when handling car batteries and consider seeking professional help if you're unsure about battery maintenance tasks.